Starry Nights 2.0, powered by Crizal Lenses.
पुरानी यादों का बस्ता खोलने आई है मंडली, देखने में बेढंगे हैं और सूरत से ये है जंगली। कई गाने लाए पकड़ के पिछली गली के चौक से, पर हो जाते दर्शक जुबान पर इनके गाने लॉक से। तोड़ के ताजा शब्द लाए हैं शब्द कोश के पेड़ से, और बचा के भागे नहीं सारे मर्यादा की रेल से। कुर्सी पकड़ के ना बैठो या कुर्सी का कोई काम नहीं, नाचने का मन ना करे तो मेरा नाम नहीं। चिकनगुनिया से गन्ना रो, ताली बजाओ बच्चा लो, घटना दुर्घटना कूट के है बनाया असली ब्रांड। कहने को देसी बैंड, फ्री फुग्गे में दिखाए डिज्नीलैंड।
If you look at the surface of the sun, which is also the closest star, it is a terrifying but also mesmerizing vision of energy, color, noise, and raw power. And it is overwhelming beyond something that you can even imagine. Therefore, without much ado, at Hyatt Regency Mumbai, let me welcome to Starry Nights 2.0, the real mesmerizing star of the night, Ranveer Overwhelming Singh.
ढोल बजाओ दीन दीन, गाने 10 रुपए में 3 फेसबुक पे करके सेंड रिक्वेस्ट बना लो इनको फ्रेंड। कहने को देसी बैंड, फ्री फुग्गे में दिखाए डिज्नीलैंड। Thank you so much.
That was wonderful, Gaurav, Lawrence, Akshay and Saif. Thank you so much for that stupendous start to this episode of Starry Nights 2.0.
Thank you so very much. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
very much.
ये क्या है? ये इसका साइंस तो समझाओ। I want to try, sir.
Try, please try.
Oh, क्या बात है? क्या बात है? So lovely, na?
Yes, sir. But tell me, where do you get so much energy from? You don't sleep, you don't get tired at all, ever?
No, I don't sleep much. I generally have a high energy. I really love everything that I do. So whatever it is that I'm engaged in the moment, in the now, as they say, I try and give it everything. Let me take you a little back to my childhood. I used to love TV, movies, fascinated by mainstream films. And my favorite type of films used to be those larger than life hero films. I used to sleep with a toy knife wrapped around my ankle. क्योंकि Rambo करता था ना, Rambo ऐसे in his sleep people used to attack him, वो निकाल के stab कर देता था. I used to also sleep like that, sir. Or big muscles, big guns. मतलब ये this was my मतलब मुझे यही बनना है. मुझे Sylvester Stallone बनना है. And yeah, if I had not been an actor, maybe I would have been different. Maybe my shoulders would droop. Maybe I would not have such a great,
energy level.
Joy in everything that I do. I get to do what I love to do.
Exactly.
And I think that's the secret, sir.
So tell me, when you were struggling as an artist, the rejections must have been humiliating?
So I had a struggle period, but my first realization of the fact that this dream of wanting to become a mainstream actor was perhaps a bit far-fetched for a person in my position was around 10th standard. You sort of realize that, man, my chances of this are pretty slim. They're pretty bleak. I mean,
why?
So when I looked around me, the only people who were getting those prime opportunities to be an actor in mainstream Hindi films were people who had some kind of lineage. So I was like, okay, if this is the norm,
Where do I stand a chance?
yeah, this is probably out of my reach. I was like, okay, maybe I should settle for something that seems within my reach. So I went to university to actually study an inefficiency on my part, as usual, late, Latif. So I was late to register for classes and all the seats had been taken. There was one seat left in one class. It happened to be acting one for non-majors.
Oh my goodness.
I was like, ठीक है, acting तो की है school, college में वगैरह.
Let me try.
Let me try. And on the first day, the instructor asked us to perform, and I went up and performed, and everybody in the class was impressed and they clapped, and I was like, man, this is it. This is it. I'm a performer. And I called my dad from America and I said, Dad, this is what I want to do. And my father's stipulation was, so many people try and fail that I want you to have a backup. So I completed my degree and I came back to Bombay and I was like, chalo, ab dekhte hain.
And the rest, as they say, is history. You know, now let me introduce you to our first game on this episode.
Kya baat hai, I knew this would be fun.
It's a quickie
Quickie.
of questions.
Okay.
So, you've got exactly 120 seconds and you have to answer as many questions as you can.
Okay.
And you get the title of either a shooting star, rising star, or a black hole.
So this is the
The best,
number one.
the second best,
Runner up.
and the worst.
Faltu.
You would definitely not want to be that.
Black hole में तो मैं ना जाऊँ.
So,
Wait, sir. Take a deep breath, prepare myself, stretch.
and your time starts now.
Okay.
E is equal to MC squared. What do E, M, and C stand for?
पता नहीं Albert Einstein को पूछ लो.
An electric train moves at 100 kilometers per hour and the wind speed is 10 kilometers per hour. Which way does the smoke blow?
गणित में हम हमेशा से fail थे.
Ever checked your girlfriend's phone?
Yes.
Spread a rumor about yourself.
No.
Back alley, flick, kill, balk, wood shot. What are these? Badminton terms. Deepika's dad will not approve of this. Save a dog or save a human?
Both.
Your biggest turn on?
A good vocabulary.
Your nickname for Deepika?
Tips.
Why is it illegal for a man living in Delhi to be cremated in Mumbai?
Why? I don't know.
Because he's still living. Strawberries and whipped cream or molten chocolate?
Molten chocolate.
Fill in the blanks. Sanjay Leela Bhansali is
A maestro.
last thing you do before going to bed.
I can't mention it.
Your 2 a.m. friend.
My alter ego.
You wake up one morning and no one knows you. React.
Big deal.
What is it that Ranveer has that Ranbir Kapoor doesn't have?
I don't know.
Okay, react to the following using only facial expressions. Ranbir Kapoor wins Best Actor Award. Your bride has run away on your wedding day. You,
I'm kidding. This.
you woke up one morning as Mallika Sherawat. David Dhawan and Sanjay Leela Bhansali are co-directing your next film. Prakash Padukone challenges you to a badminton match. Well, at first I thought you'd be slipping into the black hole, but no, I think you did reasonably well, and therefore I'll give you the title of
Reasonably?
Rising Star.
एक ही तो question नहीं आया मुझे सर. मैं तो
Though
shooting मिलना चाहिए.
the first 2-3 questions you couldn't answer, but Rising Star is good enough because after all, this is a world famous wall of shame or fame.
Some math questions तो you shouldn't ask यार.
We have more games for you.
Oh,
but
क्या
for
बात है.
this very easily fought and won title, here's a gift for you in appreciation of your sporting spirit.
क्या बात है sir. Thank you.
Format brings order and format streamlines thought. As you've known, in this season of Starry Nights 2.0, we have a guest who accompanies the star from the second segment onwards. But in the case of Ranveer, it was difficult for 2 reasons. One, we couldn't find anybody who would tell us more about Ranveer Singh than he himself. And secondly, we couldn't find someone to match the energy levels of this bubbling with enthusiasm Ranveer Singh. And therefore, we have one companion, and that is this.
ये क्या चेहरा है आहा हा हा क्या दाढ़ी है आहा हा हा what a takia and
yours.
now for your kindness sir I will reveal to your beloved audience the truth of why there is nobody here with me. Nobody who is near and dear to me wants to appear on television with me. Why?
So it doesn't matter. We have for you Ranveer Singh, freshly formatted for this second and third segment of Starry Nights 2.2. Nobody's filmy in your house?
Nobody at all, sir, which is why they're so shy of all these things, so camera shy. That's why they all refuse to be on the show with me. And I kind of protect them from it because it's a much more peaceful and sane way of being. They're very, very simple people.
So let's rewind to Ranveer Singh growing up. Your friendships have endured all these years?
Yeah.
Before you were star and after
Yes.
you were, yeah?
These boys have seen me through so many phases of my life. From a confused teenager to a wannabe stud boy to a famous person. And yeah, my circle is very small. I have few friends, my family and my team. The people in my life, sir,
Are your core?
strong.
And what was your childhood like?
I guess I've been spending a lot of time after a really long time with my father off late, and I found myself telling him in the car on the way back from somewhere that you really have been the best provider,
How
the
sweet.
best family man. He gave us such a good life, so we never had to ask for anything. It was always given to us before we asked
Oh,
for it.
lovely.
Never complained. Within our means, we had the best of everything.
How
So
wonderful.
even if my parents had to sacrifice certain things to give us, me and my elder sister, who's 2 years older to me, it would happen every single time.
You said, you had a sister who was 2 years older to you, but yet you refer to her as your other mother.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of her nature, I guess.
Okay.
She is...
Caring,
she's very
loving.
mothering, she's very caring, she's very loving, and she treats me like her child. And
Wow.
she's always done that. It's not just now. खर्ची के पैसे जो मिले थे उसको दुकानदार को दे के चॉकलेट खिला दिया.
How sweet.
She is always
How sweet.
taken up for me. She's always just like treated me like a child. So yeah, that's why I can't even call her my elder sister. She is like my second mother.
It's so nice to hear these things. And I think this calls for unveiling of this surprise for you.
ये क्या है?
Take a look.
अरे बाप रे बाप. Now
Yeah.
this is just wonderful. Such an awesome collection of pictures, sir.
Let us know about this with Mr. India. You're dressed up as Mr. India.
Yeah, this is taken by Shanu Sharma
Okay.
during my struggle period when it was rumored that Shekhar Kapoor was making Mr. India 2.
Okay.
So one day, I landed up at Shanu's house dressed as Anil
India.
Kapoor and Mr.
Arun
India.
Bhaiya.
Yeah. And चल एक audition tape बना लेते हैं ऐसे. And this picture is from that.
Wonderful. Tell me, we saw you dancing in Sonam's wedding.
Yeah.
So, and I was talking to Sonam after her wedding, and she said she would also like to dance at your wedding.
अच्छा, she said that.
Yes, she said that.
कमाल है.
So when will she get a chance?
I have two Kapoors who have committed to this.
Who's the other Kapoor?
Arjun.
Arjun Kapoor. And I'm sure Anil Kapoor and you go a long way.
उससे
He
तो
will
मैंने
definitely dance.
I will make him dance.
So that means the Baratis are ready. It's just they're waiting for the Barat to be announced.
Yeah, I guess so.
So will it be this year?
I don't know, sir, but yeah, I want to get married soon because I feel I'm ready for it. A few years ago, not very long ago, I was rethinking my stand or my take on the institution of marriage. I wasn't sure if it works in today's day and age. I had a very different take on it.
Okay.
And I didn't think the bug would bite me, but it absolutely has. I guess it has to do with the person. You know, you feel like you want to spend your life with this person and grow old together. And that's when you know you're ready. So I'm ready. And to be a family man is what I aspire to be. I love children and I would like to have my own children and raise a family. So yeah, it's definitely going through a metamorphosis of late.
Superb. You know, when you have your own kids, I won't need to ask you this question. But today, let me ask you, who are the 4 people you love the most?
Well, the 3 people in my family for sure.
And the 4th one?
The 4th one, I think everyone knows.
No, but we want to hear it from you.
I feel shy, sir. You know, I feel very shy. I don't know.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Everyone
Everybody
knows, yeah.
understand. Yes, yes. And there is somebody who really loves you too. You
Arre
to see
baap
this. This is
re.
a surprise.
Ranveer is really toned down.
Oh,
I know people are going to find this very hard to believe, but from the first moment I met him till the time he started doing his films, he's really relaxed. So whatever the world sees of him now is a much lesser version of what he was before.
My most memorable experience of Ranveer was actually at a party years ago before he even did Band Baja Bharat. And he was in check pants, a check shirt, check shoes, a checked cap. And he came to say hello and I was like, is this a joke? And he was like, not at all. And then showed me lifted his t-shirt, and I could see a sliver of his boxers, which were checked. And he was like, I just wanted you to check me out.
He's always been the life of a party. He's always been the life of everything, in fact. And I'm this close to naming my son Ranveer, if I ever have one.
Ranveer is that magical because he's that crazy. Yes, he's crazy off camera.
Arey,
I want him to be surrounded in love and goodness, you know, because deep down at the bottom of it all, we're talking about a guy who's actually a child. He's not really grown up. I want him to go beyond the sky, the stars, the galaxies, and and reach his highest.
Two very, very special people in my life. Sir.
indeed.
These two women have contributed to my life, my career, in a way that is invaluable.
Let's get started once again. Tell me, what's a typical non-working Sunday for you?
I won't get up. Maximum to go to the bathroom and back.
Like you said earlier, lazy to the core.
I'll be in front of a screen, watching something, playing something, but I won't move from the couch to bed, bed to couch, maximum.
And on such a
Pajamas.
Sunday, would you eat junk food or you're a very disciplined eater?
I love to eat. खाओ यार, जी भर के खाओ. Life is, एक life है. खाओ जो चाहिए.
So you must be having an exercise regimen?
I enjoy being in the gym and doing traditional weightlifting. Nowadays, people have some kind of like stigma against weightlifting. They're like functional is better, Pilates is better, this is better, that is better. But for me, sir, just like to go to the gym and do some real like loha lifting is my favorite.
That is better.
Yeah, I really like it. It feels good to feel strong.
Well, it's that stage in the show where I have to get you and a guest into double trouble. But in the spirit of full disclosure, I shall step into the ring with you, Ranveer. Let me just place these two stars in front of us two stars.
What is this?
Yes. Well, these stars contain questions.
Kya
You'll have
baat
to
hai?
answer my questions. I'll have to answer your questions.
Achha, why have I not created my own questions?
I
would
haven't
like to
created
know.
my question.
Oh.
Genuinely not.
Oh.
Genuinely not. And we both are fighting for
Completely.
this very, very prestigious real star of the night crown.
ये तो मैं लेके जाऊंगा सर.
I have no doubts that I will win it. So brace yourself for the battle. Cue the bugle, please.
Ready?
Okay. And I'm nervous as hell.
Ta-da-dan. 3 things about Komal sir that nobody knows.
I've seen 25,714 films to date. I'm petrified of heights and water. Nobody could get me next to the swimming pool. It's only Ranveer Singh and this interview. I run miles away from the swimming pool.
Kya
I'm
baat hai,
petrified of water as I'm petrified of heights. And the third thing I think nobody knows, when I watch a film, whether it's a friend or a foe, the film gets what it deserves.
Okay. What's my strongest asset?
I think just the fact of your being in this world in Bollywood. And this is not to just say it because you are in front of me. I mean it. I mean it.
I feel like giving you the credit.
What's it? I'm a little nervous. I'm a
I
little
love
nervous.
this one, guys. Superb.
I'm a little-
Who is the worst celebrity to interview? I think I know, but I'll let you.
Okay, let me hear it.
You, bhaiya, you will answer.
Rakhi Sawant.
Why?
She's embarrassing.
Rock. He's a rock star. Love you, Rakhi. Love you. Who is the better actor, Deepika or me?
Ranveer, you're on my show, so I think Ranveer is a better actor. And you came without a companion. I think Deepika is a better actress.
ये हुई ना बात. Something naughty you do under a starry night.
Shoot with Ranveer Singh.
क्या बात है?
So I can't wait to ask you the questions.
Okay.
Shall I begin? Your biggest regret till date?
I try and live my life with no regrets. There are only lessons.
Lovely. Zoya Akhtar or Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
Hey, both.
Small and intimate or big and flashy?
What?
Leave it to your imagination.
आज मेरा mood big और flashy का है, so big and flashy.
That's the spirit. Rate these 4 stars as per their kookiness. Anushka Sharma, Alia Bhatt, Pariniti Chopra, Sonakshi Sinha.
in terms of kookiness.
Anushka Sharma, Alia Bhatt.
hands down number one.
Okay.
Hands down.
Sonakshi.
Pariniti Chopra, Sonakshi Sinha, Alia
Alia
Bhatt.
Bhatt. Okay. And the last question. Rate me as an anchor, shooting star, rising star, or black hole.
You are here, sir. Shooting star के जो ऊपर है ना, you are there. Shooting-
But let me tell you, I think you and only you deserve this crown for your fantastic answers.
Really? Sir, you outdone
Genuinely,
me.
no. Ranveer, I just can't tell you how incredible the show has been and how much I've enjoyed. And I think it's all thanks to your boundless energy. So, thank you for just being you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me. It's been a blast, as it always is with you.
Thank you. Thank you. And Ranveer, this little token of appreciation
baat
for
hai.
the time you've given us and the
Sir.
wonderful interview you've given us.
Sir, it's been my pleasure, and with this, though, you are just spoiling me.
This is actually courtesy in Spice by RK and Magic Rice.
Thank you for this.
While it is difficult to bring yourself down from the high of the energy of an episode such as this, we must bid you goodbye. Don't forget to join us in yet another beautiful and bright iteration of Starry Nights 2.0.